I go, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth. Even though
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just
Hey my loves, what up, what it do? It's your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. I am bringing you another quick wig review today, y'all, and review Sensationnel's LaceUnit13. I have her in a number 2, so she's pretty straightforward, y'all. So we're gonna hop into the deets, but before we do, I want to give you an opportunity to join the LAL Fam Bam. All you gotta do is free, baby. It's free shit. All you gotta do is press that subscribe button, tap that alert bell, bing bing. That way you will not miss out on any of my uploads, any of the goodness that we have going on up over this way. So we'll pause for just a moment, let y'all subscribe. Welcome to the familia. If you did subscribe, your girl loves you. You know what I'm saying? I love you. But anyway, y'all. So this is, like I was saying, a LaceUnit13 in the number 2. This is one of Sensationnel's Dashly wigs. She does come with baby hair. She has a center part. She has ear to ear soft lace. And she is heat resistant fiber, so she's pretty straightforward. She's nice and wavy, super duper long. I'm 4'11". Y'all look at this. Look at all the inches. What? Inches, okay? So she is super duper long. I love the wave pattern. This is what she looks like on the model. This is what she's looking like on the girl. And these are the different colors. She comes in an assortment of colors. Y'all can see that. Okay. But yeah, she's heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my wig grip on. She does have some room in the back. I wouldn't say she's huge, but she's pretty big head friendly. You know, considering though I do have like super short hair. But if you do have a big head, just make sure you secure your hair down. You should be good to go, sis. Yes, queen. So this is pretty much what you're getting right show. I'm gonna show y'all me styling her. I pretty much just removed the lace, put her on, cut the baby hairs down, put a little bit of wax, and I used some wig conditioning spray to like help detangle and give the hair like a natural sheen. I did get a little bit of shedding, just a teensy bit. As far as density wise, let me show you what you're working with. Okay, so this is what you're working with this chica. So it's not a whole lot of hair, but I'm kind of glad because of the wave pattern. It makes it look like the wig is fuller than what it is, if that makes sense. What I'm saying, you get that? But all right, my loves. This is this chica right here. Like I said, she's pretty straightforward. Check out the way I styled her. And I hope y'all found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I hope you're doing something positive for somebody today. Make sure you tune in and watch my Get Ready With Me video. Good old chat. You know, my Get Ready With Me and chats are lengthy, but y'all, I'll be dropping some gems. So your girl LA loves you. I'm gonna catch you later, my loves. Bye.